Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share any Instagram reel onto your story. So the first step is obviously to find a reel that you want to share. So for example, I can see that this reel is right here and I want to share it into my story. So enable to do this, all you gotta do is click on this share icon present at the bottom of that reel. So for example, even if I expand it, here you can see that this share icon is right here. So simply click on the share icon and here you may scroll down until you see this option which says add to story. So simply click on it and here you can see that I have successfully added it into my story. So you may adjust it and then click on this arrow icon at the bottom, and then once you do this, simply click on this share button and click on the done button and just wait for the upload to happen. And once that is done, it will be successfully uploaded to your story. So if I will see right here, you can see that this has been successfully uploaded into my story. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.